Buenos dias, good afternoon, good evening guys, welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi Tahutu, and yes, I am the guy that 5 years ago sold literally everything he owned, his house, his companies, his bikes, his cars, went all into Bitcoin with his family and started traveling the world. Now, coming to you guys from Tulum in Mexico, where we have these amazing views here from a hotel room in Amanzala Resort. Yes, we are staying in Amanzala because I could got a really cool deal, because we are influencers, because we are supporting charity here in Tulum, and because I want to educate them in accepting Bitcoin with this resort. So maybe soon an announcement that they will be accepting Bitcoins. Let's talk about Bitcoin, blockchain and life. I will start with the charts, really cool TA charts, where I'll show you what direction we are going to go with Bitcoin. In my opinion, talking about the news that I read this morning during the cup of coffee, and yes, maybe a little bit about the Bitcoin family, the Bam Bam indicator, the TikTok indicator. Let's see. I'm doing freestyle. I'm not going to edit the video. I will upload them directly from this iPhone. It's a screen recording. So sorry if I make some mistakes, but give it a thumbs up already because I'm trying. I'm trying. Jessa, can you once show me your shirt? Bam. That is the youngest daughter, Jessa. I love her t-shirt. Hodl. That's what you need to do. You need to hodl. Let's jump into the charts. Bam. I need to switch the mic. That is why the image was like that, because the mic needs to be switched every time, so the sound is good and you don't hear the wind. Guys, this is a 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that I expect that we broke out. I told you guys we are going to go up. We're going to test this green box, and then we go up again. And now we are finding support on this line. So in my opinion, this line could be the trend line, and it could mean that we are going to do like this. We are going to go up and down and up and down and bam, and then we are at 60k. In my opinion, that could be if we will break this line over here, which is an important region of support. It's like the 50k, 49k now at the moment. Then we can break down again to this box, and if we do that, then you can already see that we are forming another pattern, almost this head and shoulder pattern then, which also will tell us then where to go. But now don't freak out, just zoom out. We have all the time. This is a 4-hour chart, and from my information, really positive. Let's take a look at the Bam Bam indicator at the moment. Look how beautiful. We took a short over there, and we will probably exit the short when we touch this line, and then we will go into another long, but I will show you a little bit more about that later in this video. Let's shut it off so it's not too busy anymore. Let's take a look at some other really cool charts, guys, and I need to switch to this one. Bam. This chart is created by Charts BTC. I love Charts BTC's charts. Charts BTC is also his Twitter handle. Check him. You can see that we climbed in the first bull run to $32, then we crashed with 93% to $2, then we ran up with 524 times to $1,160, then we crashed with 85% to $150, then we had a 130 times run all the way up to 20k, and yes, then we had that crash of 84% to 3k. If you look at this chart, you can see, guys, the first bull run we went times 524. The second one only times 130. Yes, I'm saying only because compared to the 524, it's like one fourth of the amount. So that's like 524 divided by 4 is approximately 130. If we should be calculating the same way for this bull run, then 130 divided by 4 is around, what is it, 33? Yeah, let's agree about 33. So 33 times 3,129 would be 100,000 US dollar, which would be the target of plan B. So if we grow accordingly to the growth that we have seen in the last 2 bull runs, but in a declining way, we would still reach 100k. But now again, there is a lot of money going into the market, a lot of institutions into the market. I will share some news later in this video about this, but in my opinion, 100k, man, that is just the beginning. We can go way higher than 100k, guys, but let's first break that 100k level, maybe he's first break that 60k level, then the 70k, and then the 80k, and then the 90k, and then the 100k. But if we compare it to the bull runs of 2012 to 2017, let's say that 5 year, then you can see that we are moving in the same way. From 2012 to 2017, and then on top you see 2016 to 2021. So if you look to 2014 and 18, that was the bear year for both of those periods. 2015 and 2019 was the sideways year for both of those periods. 2016 and 2020 was the year we started to go up slowly again. And 2017 was the bull run, and 2020 is also the bull run. You can see where we should be ending up with this bull run, above 100k. You can see in the bottom of this chart, the Bitcoin 4-year multiples, you can see how much they times how much they went every time again in those runs. I believe 200k is an easy job for Bitcoin. And why do I think this easy? Maybe let's jump into the news part. The first news part I want to share with you is this one, because Bitcoin is going to infinity, is the Kraken CEO saying. Jesse Powell says, guys, $1 million per Bitcoin, that is easy reachable because so much money is flowing into the market and there is just a limited amount of Bitcoins, 21 million Bitcoins. I fully agree with him, of course, but that is, of course, what you already know. Let's go back to the screen again, and I need to switch because else the sound will be terrible, and I want to have maybe the image is already not stable because of using the iPhone, but the sound needs to be good. That were the charts for today. I hope you really enjoyed the charts. If you did enjoy the charts, give them a thumbs up. Please, thumbs up, thumbs up. I want to reach more thumbs up. The YouTube algorithm likes it when you give thumbs ups, when you leave comments, when you share it. That is what we need to you need to reach, because we only almost have 21k followers, and 21 is a magic number because there's 21 million Bitcoins. If we reach 21k followers, well, I will do another giveaway. About giveaways, I am going to do a really cool giveaway later this week, I think, tomorrow I think, but then you need to be signing up to my Twitter. If you sign up to my Twitter, you have a chance to win something really cool. It's a $130 product that I'm going to give away, and it has to do with your hardware wallet. So please sign up to my Twitter, Didi Taihutu. If you don't know how to pronounce that or write that, just Google my Twitter, Didi, and you will find it, or one of the links down below, and you will have a chance on winning that really cool tool. You want to have it. You want to have it. I just gave one to Crypto here. He loved it. I'm keeping one for myself, of course. We love it, and you can win one. But I will come with that later in this week. I think tomorrow. I need to. The agenda is full. I need to show. Let's jump into the news part. This part. Bam! Oh, that was the first bam. We need to do more bams, Didi. Bam, bam, bam. While I switch the screen, you can enjoy this beautiful sea. Let's go to the news part. For the news, guys, bam. I am using, of course, the Brave browser because, yes, it's a cool browser. It's going to include NFTs in the future and a decentralized exchange, a DEX, so that's really cool. And for now, for me, this is perfect to start with NFTs because, you know, there was again this huge NFT collaboration between like 100 artists, and they sold this NFT for bam, bam, $89,000 US. So that is really cool. This NFT world is really becoming a big world. Check the Rarible platform. I think the Rarible platform, that one over there, is really cool to create your own NFTs, even from your picture or from a video. Check it out. No, I'm not being paid to promote them. But a lot of projects are working together with Rarible. So take a look at these NFTs, do your own research. The article was posted on Cointelegraph. This one, very positive. 1 in the 5 investors at firms that don't trade in crypto say they are likely to do this in the future. That's 22% of institutional investors are likely to buy cryptocurrency in the future. Very positive news, of course, because of JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and all of these banks and billion-dollar companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy. They are all joining this game, already joined this game, so now more and more people start to trust this strange world of cryptocurrency that we have already been trusting for more than 2013, 9 years already. Wow, my God, I'm already in this business 9 years. That's a long time, guys. So it was 3,400 investors. They were from 1,500 institutions, and all of them, 22% said, I'm going to invest in crypto. Really positive news. What kind of news do we have more? Bam, this one. Crypto.com. Really important. This I use their debit card. If you want to have the debit card, click the link down below the video, because that card you can use to spend your bitcoins all over the world where Visa is accepted. But they are now launching a $200 million investment fund for cryptocurrency startups. So if you're a startup and you want to have some help in the beginning, go to crypto.com and apply for this investment fund, because there will be a couple of seed rounds. You can get between 100 and 3 million US dollar. It will done again in some rounds of $3 to $10 million. Make sure you search for this solution if you're a startup, because I think it's very positive that Crypto.com now not only is a sponsor of Formula 1, Aston Martin, Formula 1 Didi, not Formula 1, that's Dutch, and now also giving away $200 million to startups. Really, really, really positive. Some more positive news, guys. Gemini, they launch an ETF now. The Winklevoss twins have been doing a shitload of work for this industry, and they keep doing it. I love what they are doing. My respect to the Winklevoss twins, and now even launching an ETF. I need to investigate a little bit more what does it mean for Gemini exchange, if it is going to be launched on the Gemini or whatever. But the news is very positive. It's not negative, it's positive. Yes, that was my Snapchat. Bam, more positive news. Do you know Kings of Leon? I know Kings of Leon. I know this song. They have one really, really famous song. I don't know what I mean. Kings of Leon. Okay, they are going to release an album as an NFT. Again, NFTs, do your research after these NFTs. This is going to be huge. Now all these huge artists also jumping on board of this NFT industry. Really, really, really cool. If you want to read this article, I found that one on Crypto Daily. Really cool news. Kings of Leon. Brave, they are going to enlist a new search engine. Also very positive news, guys, because they are going to make some competition there for Google. I love the Brave browser. Now even adding a new search engine. Let's see how this will evolve. I think it will be really cool, because Brave is growing tremendously, and they are integrating more and more crypto related products. So now even a search engine that is going to combine, that was Madelon, a Dutch influencer. We're going to have dinner tonight. I need to stop because everybody starts to disturb me. And yes, I have the not disturb button set on the iPhone. It isn't working. Yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are slowing down now. Yes, and the transaction values are plunging with 70%. So it's become cheap now to send your family tokens to your family members, and the Bitcoin tokens and the Ethereum tokens cheap, but a little bit more slow. I don't care. At the moment we will be all using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a peer-to-peer cash. That is the moment we need to be fast. We will slowly grow to that. It's the same with the internet age, guys. In the beginning of internet, we didn't need this huge speed, high-speed internet, because there was no YouTube to stream videos, there was no Zoom call and all that stuff. We grew to that moment that we needed this high-speed internet, and at the moment we needed it, it was there. Same with Bitcoin. We will grow to the moment that when we need the peer-to-peer cash definitely every day. I'm using it daily, but most of the people are not. That moment will come, and when the moment will come, then I think we will be also having lower fees and faster transactions. So we will have this evolution of technology that will bring us to this moment that we need to be. Bam! Colombia's oldest commercial bank. They are now piloting with crypto services as well. Yes, all the banks understand that this is the evolution of money, and they can't miss out on this evolution of money. So even the oldest bank of Colombia now is going to do the same. They are going to look into cryptocurrency. Cool news. Guys, like you know, I made a video yesterday about donating. We are helping this school, or we are going to build this school here in Tulum, Mexico, for helping. We already received a lot of donations. You can donate on the website YOLOFamilyTravel.com. You see it in the top of the screen, /donation. That was really stupid, Didi, what you did over there, because now you can see how many emails I have opened. Yes, 30,000 emails. Yeah, oh my God. You can see here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Zcash. You can all use these to deposit. You can just click there and you get the address. There's an alert. That was the Bam Bam indicator. It's telling me to do it long. So you can donate by using these addresses or by the official address I announced in yesterday's video. Let's go back to this one again. Yes, jump here. Let's do it like this. Jump, and I will switch the sound again. Yes, I am back. Hope you enjoyed all this news, and I hope you enjoyed also the charts. Yes, we also did some Bam Bam trades yesterday. There are some people doubting if I do all the trades that I post on the charts daily. I do. And I have already shared now many times the P&L and the profit and losses that I make on Bybit. I will share it one more time, the profits I made yesterday, and yes, I will add them also to the chart so you can see it on the chart. But here you have the results I made yesterday with trading on Bybit. I am trading, that's why I'm sharing. I'm using the Bam Bam indicator, I'm using the TikTok indicator. Yes, I'm also using the BFAT, and they all are working fine for me. The Bam Bam indicator, I love that one the most. I need to be very honest. Yes, it's the most expensive one, but for me the triple confirmation is the best way to trade. I will share the profits now and then come back again to this screen. Bam! Let's go here. Sunset. Here guys, these three trades were done yesterday. Check, we had a 70% profit, we had a 71% profit. You can see the prices, buying at 50,800, exit at 51,189, using a leverage, and that's why we get the 70%. Yes, another 70%, and yes, another 78%. That is all yesterday, guys. Yes, it was a sunset this morning, really beautiful sunset. Bam, back to the camera. Video. Screen. This is my bedroom. That is the beach. This was everything for today. I hope you really enjoyed the video. It was the third time I need to record it because the first two times it went wrong because of the app was not functioning. Hopefully now this time it is okay. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment as I love to respond to your comments. I'm going to zoom out now because I need to pick up the car today. Today finally we receive a car, and with this car we will drive to the cenotes, we will drive to the Maya temples, we will drive to all that we want to share with you in our daily videos. If you still want to do some donations, then go to the video of yesterday, watch that video, see what we are going to build, and soon you will also see me going there again to film, handing over these donations, and then we will start to build this school for the kids over there. Really awesome project. I love to do these things. Yes, sharing is caring. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and hopefully see you tomorrow again. And yes, tomorrow I will say bam, bam, and bam many more times because I love to say bam. Zooming out. Have an amazing day, guys, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.